The Gerber Mini Paraframe. Now when they say mini, they mean mini, because look how big this thing is. Pretty nice little knife though. You see that it's almost just about a third longer than my middle finger. Bought this at Walmart. I can't remember the price. It was in the $10 range. So let's go over the specifics on this. I have not cut anything with this knife yet, so this is going to be a surprise for both of us. Here we go. We have the Paraframe Mini clip folding knife. Stainless blade and handle. Let's see here. It says it has a fine edge, frame lock, pocket clip. Here we go. Here's the Hello Trouble, or hashtag Hello Trouble, whatever that is. On the back we have the information. Here is the number. I don't know what number. It might be an inventory number for Walmart. I'm not sure. And here is the ISBN number. Designed and engineered in Oregon. Does not made. It's made in Oregon. There's the website and address for Gerber. So, let's get into this thing. Look at this little bitty thing. It is kind of cool looking though, isn't it? For such a small knife. Pocket clip on back. Here's the Gerber name. The pocket clip is not reversible. Looks like you might be able to, you should be able to take it apart for maintenance. 1, 2, 3 screws right here. Then this one on this side. Here is the number. I don't know what that number represents. 4660919A. Okay. We have a tape measure right here. And the blade is, overall length is just over, or just under 5 1/4 inches. Blade length is 2 1/8. So you can do your own math and guess the rest of it, what the handle length is. Pretty nice little knife, little pocket knife. I can see a woman putting this in her purse. Great for that. Has the frame lock right here, which means both sides of the frame, one side will move over for locking. There we go. I want to get a close-up of this and see if it, there we go. You saw that. Do that again. There we go. So it is pretty easy to unlock, but it is pretty tight on the closure. Maybe it just needs to be broken in a little bit more. Let's see how the snap point is. Right there. So right there. So about right here or so. Pretty nice for a small handle. I mean, for a small knife. I don't have good fingernails, so it's kind of difficult for me to open sometimes. So, haven't cut anything with this yet. Let me grab a piece of paper behind me, and we're going to give this thing a paper test. Now, many people say this is not a reliable test, but for me, it's good enough, right? They're not high dollar knives. Look at that. Now, it does have a stopping point. right there. I can barely feel the little nick right in there. Let's try it on this side. But I'm impressed how sharp it is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Not bad at all. But it does have that little nick in there. Huh. Got this at Walmart. If you need something small like this, I would encourage you to go check it out. See if it's in your price range. If you think it's a good deal, you need to make your own decision on that. But I didn't think it was too bad. These little small knives, look at there. It's just barely longer than my pinky. My pointer finger, it's almost the same length as my pointer finger. Check it out at Walmart. Need a nice little knife. Be a nice gift for people. Good stocking stuffers, birthday gifts, graduation gifts. How about that? My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.